Anti-national oiba meetop chamapan Manipurda changshillakhre haiba wapham adu aranbani haina phongdokkhre loinana Manipurda hojik thokliba irang asiga iroinana Myanmarda hojik charangnaba fibam ama adumak leiri haina Indian Army ki Chief General Upendra Dwivedi na phongdokkhre wapham ase Chanakya Defense Dialogue 2024 da Indian Army ki Chief General Upendra Dwivedi na phongdokkibane Chanakya Defense Dialogue 2024 da Indian Army ke Chief General Upendra Dwivedi na phongdokkiba wapham sing report tawraduna India Today ani na piba report amana hai Manipur da hojik thokliba irang asiga iruinana Myanmar da so charangnaba fibam ama leire hojik Manipur da oiriba fibam ase khara safarabaso tangdu leitadabagi fibam amadadi adumak leire Manipur da thokliba irang asina maram oiraga state asida khutlai angakpa phangna sijinarakle Manipur da thokliba irang ase lakshinaba army amadi Assam Rifles ke apunba kalam chamuk kuntaruk rom deploy tawre lamdam asida tangdu leitaba puraknaba amadi thazaba hanjilaknaba angamba thakta hotnare hojik fawbagi oina state army dagi lakhiba khutlai chada kun manga recover tawbangam lei irang asiga mari leinana yumfam yaudaba wafam kaya sagatnariba ase lepa matam oire Irang asida mapalebakna mateng pangba tampakta base tawba insurgent group yawi haina phongdoknariba ase yumpham yaudabane amaromda drone bombing chathaki hairiba wafam ase aranbane hiram asigi matangda security force na thodok thokfam da chattuna kupna thigatlubada drone bombing Chathabagi Khudam Phangde Maragasida anti-national oiba element chamapan rom Manipurda lo kaina changshillakhre hairiba adusu aranbane Myanmar da thokliba irang asina maram oiraga mioi kaya lanjilakpa asiga mari leinana mahakna makhatana hai Myanmar da charangnaba fibam ama leibana leibak asidagi mioi kaya lanjinari Myanmar dagi lanjinarakliba sing ase makhoiga mamangdagi naknaraga leiba mafam singda lanjinarakpane fibam asinane Manipur amasung Mizoram da Myanmar dagi meetop kaya lanjinaraga leiribase Myanmar dagi lanjinarakliba sing ase khutlai paidaba micham ngaktane Makhoi India da safana lainabagidamak lanjilakpane India na makhoigidamak paikhatbayaba thabak sing paikhatuna makhoibu chana thaknaba amade laifam pinaba hotnagani haina mahakna makhataki
So as far as Manipur problem of we see in May 2023 it all started with a rumor that there was a Anglo-Kuki war centenary gate which is being burnt. It was not being burnt. I have gone on ground and confirmed from everyone. Now that rumor mongering led to major violence which is still finding its kind of a stabilization phase which has not reached. So what has happened over a period of time? It has become a battle of narratives. There is a polarization between the communities. The situation may be stable today, but it is tensed. Now, what all can be done about it? But before that, what all other things which have happened? What you talked about, internally displaced people, the number reached to 60,000. Of course, with our perseverance now that has come to below 40,000. Similarly, this society has got weaponized to some extent. Why? Because the weapons were looted. That also needs to be seen. The women-led organizations have come up for the defensive purposes. The underground organizations have come up for the defensive purposes. The battle lines are getting hardened. Therefore, what we have done as of now, that firstly we have to be very clear, it has to be whole of nation approach. As far as the Army and Assam Rifle is concerned, we have deployed approximately 126 columns of Army and Assam Rifle combined together in conjunction with so many other stakeholders which are already operating in this state. And we are trying to calm down the situation. We are trying to bring in the trust. We are trying to restore the trust. It will take its own time. Because when the social cracks or the social fracturing takes place, it takes own time to kind of recover. But what has also happened that we've been able to recover a large number of weapons. Approximately, if I can say that 25% of weapons have already been recovered, and double the weapon which are of local kind, that also been recovered. I've also gone and met the ex-servicemen, because they are the last bastion of national integration and social harmony. They are advising us how to go about it. We are working closely with them, as well as the central administration, to look into what are the possible lines of effort which we should go ahead in future.